You can control $20,000 worth of Apple stock for just $4,000, and unlike risky weekly options, time is actually on your side. This is the stock replacement strategy. Instead of paying full price for 100 shares, you buy one LEAPS call option deep in the money. You get nearly identical profit exposure for a fraction of the capital requirement. LEAPS stands for Long-Term Equity Anticipation Securities. These differ from standard options because they don't expire for at least 1 year. Most new traders lose money because of Theta, the daily decay that eats your options value. But LEAPS exploit a glitch in the decay curve. Look at this curve. Short-term options lose value exponentially in the final 30 days. LEAPS, however, hold their value almost perfectly for the first 6 months. But here is the trap where everyone fails. Do not buy cheap, out-of-the-money lottery tickets. That is gambling, not investing. The secret is delta. You must buy calls with a 0.80 delta or higher. This ensures your option moves 80 cents for every $1 the stock moves, effectively mimicking stock ownership without the heavy price tag. Stop renting stocks, start leveraging them.